Hi, this is Michael Pine with truDigital Signage, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to share with you how to use our vertical templates. Now, if you have screens that are positioned in the vertical orientation, then you're going to have access to these vertical templates. So I'm in the template library, and we've actually added several new templates here, including some anniversaries, some birthdays, some clocks, some countdowns, the dates, employee of the month templates. So we've got quite a variety here that we're continuing to add to this template library to make it as robust as possible. So I definitely invite you to jump in here and kind of see which ones work best for you and which ones you would like to include in your digital signage. So if I want to use, let's say, this countdown template, I just click on it and click install. That's going to bring it into the My Templates area, so I can start making some changes to it. And once it's in there, I'll go ahead and click on that and click edit. And I can scroll down to kind of see a preview of what it looks like. And I can go ahead and edit template. I can change the background by clicking this block up here at the top. I can change the countdown number here, or I can change the text. So if I'm going to change the countdown number, let's see, instead of counting down to December 31st, let's count down to Let's do it to December 1st. Go ahead and click save. The number is going to change there. Then I'll go ahead and click save changes. Then I'll click back. And once I do that, I will edit my live playlist, drag and drop that content from the right to the left, click save, and that content will be displayed on my screen shortly. Now, if I want to display horizontal content on my screen, I can certainly do so. I just want to use a vertical corkboard here. Go ahead and click on this one and click edit. And this is what it looks like currently. And in the first position, I've got the time and then free Wi-Fi and then have a nice day. So each one of these is a different horizontal template that we have stacked here, so to speak. Then I'll go ahead and click edit template. If I want to change this clock out, simply go ahead and click on that one. Come up here to horizontal templates, and then let's say we want this welcome message instead of the clock. Go ahead and click save there and save changes. Now I've got the welcome message. Go ahead and click back. And this one's already in my live playlist. So now I'll just go ahead and click preview, and then I'll get a quick preview of what this looks like. My horizontal templates are now placed in that vertical corkboard in my vertical digital signage there. So that is how you would upload horizontal content into your vertical screen. So definitely check back into the template library often. We are updating this and adding more content as frequently as we can. So if you have any questions about how to use vertical content or how to use any of these templates, please let us know. We're more than happy to help. We want to make sure you're getting the most out of your digital signage and having a great experience. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you learned something, and until next time, have a great one. Bye-bye.